Hi, pet bottle producers. Stuck with cloudy, whitish 18.9-liter bottles and slowed production lines? No matter how you adjust machines or replace parts, profits keep leaking. Sound familiar? The root cause? Thick 360-gram preforms. 6.10 millimeters wall thickness. Traditional blow molding burns the outside while the inside stays cold, causing uneven stretching. Result? Brittle, cloudy bottles, customer rejections, and forced slowdowns to heat. Evenly your capacity drops. Waste piles up, trapped in a vicious cycle. Break the cycle with Rigit's RM2-1000. Our game changer. Inner wall heating technology. After external oven heating, a precision servo rod automatically inserts and rotates, heating the inner wall uniform lie. Fully automated, zero manual effort. Now, preforms heat perfectly inside out. The results? Cloudy bottles, gone. Crystal clear, high-quality bottles every time. Waste plummeting. Scrap rates nosedive. Capacity skyrocketing. Produce more bottles per hour without slowing lines. Costs falling. Less waste, faster cycles, no extra equipment. Operations simplified. Easy training, minimal errors. This isn't just a machine, it's your key to unlocked profits. Ready to transform your 18.9-liter pet production? Contact Rigit today. Turn your pain into gain. You'll wonder how you ever did it without it.